In a tragic turn of events, Kerala found itself at the center of a devastating incident. On October 29th, multiple explosions shook a Jehovah's Witness prayers meeting in Kochi, claiming the lives of 3 individuals and leaving 36 others severely injured. Home Minister Amit Shah swiftly took charge, assessing the situation and reaching out to Kerala's Chief Minister P. Vijayan. However, even in the wake of this tragedy, a blame game ensued. The BJP held the Kerala government accountable, with Union Minister Rajiv Chandrasekhar pointing fingers at CM Vijayan for the deadly incident. In response, Kerala's Chief Minister P. Vijayan strongly reacted to Chandrasekhar's remarks, stating, "Those who are poisonous will keep spitting poison." Chief Minister Vijayan emphasized the need for respect for the ongoing investigation and cautioned against the hasty conclusions. Notably, the explosions were triggered by the improvised explosive device, as confirmed by the Kerala DGP. Approximately 2,000 people were attending the prayers when these shocking events unfolded. Home Minister Amit Shah wasted no time instructing the National Investigation Agency and the National Security Guards team to swiftly reach the scene and initiate a thorough inquiry into the incident. As the nation grapples with this heartbreaking incident, the search for answers and justice begins.